Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video. By me for you, of course. Because today it's really cold outside and we're going to show today this heating pad. You see, only at 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. That's really cold in my studio. So I'm going to get this heating pad with 75 watts, 60 to 30 centimeter to my body. Maybe I will get this under my sweatshirt because it will be make me a really good and nice warm feeling with that. Wow. This is with a PTC and quick heating function. We have 9 temperature levels and 4-hour timer. Not only 4-hour timer, of course, other timers are included too. So now we can go back to work while it is really warm and my body. Overheating and shutdown protection, machine washable, ideal for the neck, for the shoulders, and for the legs. And as you can see, underneath my sweatshirt. Really cool. This is versatile warmth for the whole body with its generous size of 60 to 30 centimeter. The heating pad distributes the heat evenly to areas such as the back, the neck, the shoulders, arms, or thighs. It is suited for both for relieving the tense muscles and for relaxing moments of well-being in everyday life. And we have precise temperature control with a 9-level control. Thanks to the modern PTC heating technology, the pillow achieves a pleasant warmth in a short time, and it keeps it constantly. Really important thing. Because the LED controller has 9 temperature levels to choose from. So we can always find the optimal setting for our personal needs. The timer with the 4 switch options makes a safe use. The timer can be set to 30 minutes, 60, 90, or 120. The integrated overheating protection system also ensures a reusable and a protection user experience all day long. And soft and skin friendly. Take a seat on your sofa. It's so cold maybe, but you will have a good time in front of your television or something else. So get this into position on your neck, or shoulder, or on your belly, or what is cold as well, and then you have a good time with that. Because it's soft and skin friendly, material is made of that. The heating pad is made of the particularly fine, cuddly, soft plush fabric that feels pleasant on our skin. For cleaning, the controller can be easily removed so that the cushion can be washed in the machine without any props. And it warms anytime, and it warms anyway due to the lightweight. Its flexible design makes it really cool because the UOHHBOE heating pad can be easily transported, as you can see, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. It is reliable, gives us a warmth in the cold season, and increase our well-being. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Oh, that's warm. Sun.